Multnomah County is upgrading to Windows 10. What this means is, the operating system that runs your computer is being updated to the newest version. It's kind of like buying a new car. Most things work the same, but some things will be a little different.
So, when will this happen?
Upgrades will start in September in DCA, and will roll out across the county over the following 6 months. You can find a detailed timeline on the project website.
Do I have to do anything to prepare?
With this upgrade, all of your files and programs will automatically be moved over. Even the shortcuts on your desktop will still be there.
How long will my upgrade take?
This upgrade will happen remotely overnight, so you shouldn't experience any downtime. When you get your upgrade, everything should be done by the time you start work in the morning.
I have a laptop. Will my upgrade be any different?
When it's time for your upgrade, you'll want to make sure that your laptop is docked and connected to the county network. And remember to leave it powered on.
So what is going to be different?
Today, you are using Windows 7. Well, Windows 10 looks very similar, and your computer desktop will look mostly the same. But let's take a closer look. The colors and icons will be a little different, but you will still see your shortcuts and the taskbar at the bottom of the screen. Now, your eyes might be drawn to the gray box that says, Ask Me Anything, but we're going to cover that a little later. For now, let's take a closer look at the Start button. That's the little button in the bottom left that looks like the Windows icon. When you click the Start button, the Start screen appears. We're going to talk about many of the features of the Start screen, but let's begin with the list of programs you have installed on your computer. When you want to start a program, you can just click on it in this list. At the top of the list are the programs that you use the most. Your most used programs list will look different from mine, and will change over time as you use your computer. Beneath your most used programs is an alphabetical list of all the programs installed on your computer. To scroll through the list and find a program you are looking for, place your mouse over the list and the scroll bar will appear. Then click the down arrow to scroll down. Now, let's talk about the tiles you see on the right of the Start screen. Most tiles are just shortcuts. If you click on one, it will start the program. But some tiles are what they call live tiles, and they display useful information, like a weather report. When you first get your upgrade, you will see the default tiles that come with Windows 10. What makes tiles great is that you can customize them so that the programs you work with are easy to access. You'll start by removing the tiles you don't want. Just right-click on a tile and select Unpin from Start. Now I'm going to jump ahead a bit after I've removed several tiles. When you want to add a new tile, first find the program in the Programs list. Then, right-click on the program and select Pin to Start. If you decide to create a tile for a program that is in the most used list, this will both add the tile and remove it from the most used list. You can also rearrange your tiles. Just click on a tile and hold the mouse button down. Then drag the tile to where you want it. Now, let's talk about the Power button. Click this button when you want to shut down or restart your computer.
Hey, how do I lock my computer? Right now, if I'm going to leave my desk, I use the shutdown menu to lock it, but I don't see that option here.
When you want to lock your computer, click the User Profile button. From here, you can lock the computer, sign out of the computer without shutting it down, or if this is a shared computer, allow another user to log in. Now that we've looked at the Start screen, you can click anywhere on the desktop to close the screen. Next, let's talk about that gray box. One way to use the box is when you want to find a program quickly. Just type the name of the program in the box and it will appear.
Is this how I find Internet Explorer? I need to use it for my job and I can't find it.
Absolutely. Just click in the search box and type Internet Explorer. A list of matches appears. You can click the program to open it, or right-click to add it as a tile to your start screen. So that's what you can expect from your Windows 10 upgrade. Thanks for watching.